I'm Khalid, I'm the owner of Jestic Chicken.
Hello, I'm Mr. Patel, manager of the shop.
The business has changed what it used to be 10 or 20 years ago. It has become dependent on the delivery system like Uber Eats or Deliveroo, all those things, all these big platforms. So the food has to be spot on. The reason that people choose Chester's because they know they're going to get good quality food. And then the reason we can produce that good food the customer wants is by investing in a good equipment.
My gold standard is we are serving to the customer fresh to fresh. Before weekend holding for normally fast food quality was just 45 minutes. But now I serving you after 45 minutes from the new Henny holding cabinet. Taste was same, color was same, but still the food was fresh.
On this type of cabinets, the food is always consistent. Your food is cooked nicely in the fryers and then is stored on the holding cabinet. The whole process, it makes things so easy. And then the food is delivered to the customer consistent all the time. We have got open fryer where we cook a lot of our fries, things like nuggets, chicken strips, popcorn chicken, and the quality is just phenomenal. I have got customers coming here especially for the fries. This is why we have got very good ratings with our platform delivery companies. Why? Because when our food is delivered, the customer will get nice, moist and hot food. And as a result, that has increased our sales. Since we took all our new equipment, that has increased our sales by 30 to 35%. If you don't invest in a good equipment, you can never produce the right quality. This is my advice. 35 years in the business,
Exactly, yeah.
invest in good equipment. Invest in a good Henny equipment if you're a chicken operator. And if you're an operator, you want to know more about our equipment, and we are here to help you, not a problem. But everybody's come here, welcome, try our food, or you can order it online, and you will see the difference.